we got to replace some interior lighting, man. That one right there is out. See, the other ones are on. The focus, but this one is out. Yeah, see, it looks like it's on, but of course the other sides are out. The little LEDs, it did not yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and replace that.
Round one, fight!
What it do, what it is, what it ain't, boy. Yup. Anyway, it's your boy, Subzero _charger, man. Look, let's just get into this video, baby. Y'all can see on today's video, we gotta replace some interior lighting, man. You know what I'm saying? So let's do that right now. Let's get up in this car, man. Get in the back seat, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, sir. All right, this video ain't gonna be too long, but I just want to show y'all how to if y'all don't know, I mean, it's fairly simple. If you're new to getting interior lighting or just trying to do interior lighting in your car, I'm gonna show y'all how to switch it out and replace it. Okay, as you guys can see, looks purple, but it's blue. I do have all blue lights in here, you know what I'm saying? But as you can see, that one right there is out. See, the other ones are on. The focus, but this one is out. So we gone. Hold on a minute. Just okay. So we're gonna replace this, and we're gonna get it working again. So our interior lighting can be back on. So now I'm gonna show y'all the things y'all need. Of course, first and foremost, if you have this tool right here, look, I don't know what this called, but listen, if you got L wire, if you got like, you want to change more lights, whatever you need done in your car, and you're not trying to damage it, or you just want to make it clean, get one of these, man. If you get L wire or any kind of lighting kit or something, I don't know, because I don't know if all of them come with one, but if you can just go get one of these, listen, I got about like 3 or 4 of these, and these things come in handy to make your job 100 times easier and super quick. So just keep that in mind. Then of course you got your little lights and everything like that, so I could go ahead and replace the light that needs to be replaced. If y'all want to know exactly who I ordered it from, I can post a picture, or I can show y'all a picture right now of who I ordered it from, what company it was. So they just give you a piece of paper, you know, telling you thank you or whatever. I'm actually trying to see if the sender is ledstore. So if y'all want to order these lights, go to on eBay, ledstore. This is my 3rd set from them, because when I had my Yukon, I ordered just simple white lights, replace all those lights, and I ordered lights from them. So came back to them again, and of course that's where I got these lights from as well, my blue lights. So I came to them again because their lights actually last a long time, and yeah, so ledstore, man, on eBay. Make sure y'all go get them. So just to show y'all, the Dodge Charger, you know, has a button right here. Sometimes, you know, sometimes my kids just be pushing stuff, but it just don't work. So we're just gonna go ahead and replace that. Now we're just gonna take the tool, and then we're gonna put it in the little creases. I'll just show y'all. All we're doing is taking our little mousecule tool. There we go, little mousecule tool, and placing it in there. And you place it in there, you pull out, and then it should come right out. Like, don't be afraid to pull it. So really put it in there. Hold on, let's focus up. Hold on. There you go. And don't be afraid to. pull it, then it should just pop out like that. Yee, that was kind of quick, but yeah. So then now you'll see this. So, cause that's why this tool is real good, man. I'm trying to tell you, it just makes things a lot easier, so you ain't got to do it by hand. But if you don't have one of these, or just don't have access to one of these, you can also use like your keys, or just like a flat or a butter knife, spoon. If you need to use that, if you don't have this, go ahead and use it. It's okay. But yeah, like I said, don't be afraid to take that thing off, because it might be scary. You might think you're breaking your car, but it's all right. It just go ahead and take it off, man. And make sure y'all put this up somewhere. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. So then next you'll see the light. And now that I'm messing with it, it's like one side of the light, I don't know if y'all can see that. It looks like it's on. Yeah, see, it looks like it's on, but of course the other sides are out. The little LEDs, and then I can, yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and replace that. So let's go ahead and pull that out. Oh, actually, pull it or push it or pull it this way, that way. Might be hard to see, but my fault, y'all.
3 days later.
Let's focus up. So I end up getting it out. I had to kind of grab it from up here first. So it was in there, so I kind of had to grab it and pull. So just remember that. So now it's out. Let's see if we get some more light in here. Okay, so now that it's out, you know what I'm saying? That's what it looks like. So now, this is the old one. This is the old LED. So we're just gonna replace it. Come into our little bag right here. Like I said, it's so easy to install and uninstall, because you know, it should honestly, it's only because I'm doing a YouTube video, but honestly this should only take you 5 minutes, if that. Especially if you have the tool, it can, you know, it can go pretty freaking quick. So now we take our new bowl. You see it? It's new. Bang, 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 bang. And then we just make sure I focus this time. Slide it in there. Whoop. Hold on. Just gonna make sure that y'all see it turn on. Boop. And we back on, baby. Just like that. Now it works. Of course. Hold on. There you go. I just had to open the door. But now it works. You know what I'm saying? So now all my lights are on. And it's blue, nice and bright. It's on. But now also on top of that, I have extras just in case my other ones come out. Then also, if you put this in there, if you put this LED in there and it doesn't turn on, you can also flip it on its side, or flip it. Like it might just be, it just might be wrong. So if y'all get this and y'all put it in like this, so say example, y'all put it in like this and the light doesn't turn on, just take it out, flip it this way and put it in. But I think it should actually work on either side. But I've seen some, I think I've gotten some lights before in the past where I had to do that. I put it in, didn't work, then I switched it around just like that, and then put it in, then it came right on. Then now you get your little piece, you know. Now let's clean that off. You get your little piece, put it in just like that. My bad, y'all. I just gotta sit up. It's hard to do it with one hand. I'm trying to hold it, trying to make sure y'all can see, and then we put it in just like that. So my bad, the camera's all over the place. I don't have nobody to hold it, so I'm doing this by myself. So everything should come on. Everything is nice and flush. So even if I shut my door, the lights turn off. Hold on, let's wait a second for the lights to turn off. Okay, lights are off now. So now, if I want to push it, it'll turn on. See, it works. Cool. So, and that's how you change it. Like I said, it wasn't a long video. I just want to show y'all that real quick. We do anything and everything car related if we can. Sorry, I ain't got no big V8, but V6, it's all good, man. Like, car's a car, man. If you want your car to look good, whether it's a rice, whatever. I got a rice. Okay, so it don't matter. But if you just love cars, it don't matter what you got. Because some of us aren't even blessed to even have a car. Some of us gotta walk, whatever. So y'all call my car rice, that's cool. I got one of the hardest rices out. Embrace everything, man. But anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. If you haven't yet, if y'all enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment. We going up, baby. Y'all see that reel I just posted? Yee! I got more reels coming. Anyway, follow me on Instagram at subzero_charger. Follow me on TikTok, subzero_charger, man. Or just subscribe to your boy here, man. So if it's your first time here, appreciate you. Welcome to the channel, baby. Welcome to the Sub-Zero squad, Subby squad, whatever squad, you already know what it is, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Stay up, stay cool, stay safe, baby. Mask up.